Good morning. Thank you for joining me on this hike. On this day, we actually were stopping by a trail that we had recently just found out about. The first time around, we were only able to make it there within like 2 hours of before sunset, so we didn't make it too far in. And to be honest, I was not prepared. I was wearing sneakers, so I kind of messed up the hike. But oh, and then this time around, we saw a particular. It is a rather rocky and hilly trail, so we ended up loving it. Now, we came back this time around to complete the trail all the way to the lake, and ended up being about 5 to 6 miles total once I finally added up the numbers. It's incredible that some of these places used to be some amazing backyards for some people, and they were able to live here, grow up here, experience this beauty. So I'm just happy to be able to walk through it and admire it. This is one of the best ways to get to know your way around New York as you locate different trails. There's so many trails, so many places to go to appreciate nature's beauty.